Hi everybody, my name is Natalia Quintero. I am studying food engineer at UNAD, and at this moment I am cursing English 3. I am 26 years old. I'm from La Union Valle, and actually I live here. Today I wanna tell you about my restaurant Mi Casa Vieja. This restaurant Mi Casa Vieja is an amazing place where you can find many services like foods, drinks, snacks, and social events. Highly recommended. This picture, like you can see, it's about the 15 birthday. You can find in this restaurant all that you need for um, for whatever events. You can see music, video bean, waiters, decoration, food, place. You can find two business events like the place where you can play the business event like mesa, more like tables, like video bean, food, waiters. And the typical food in this restaurant is the meals and pasta. The more the more typical is the churrasco. These are a delicious meal, and the pasta, whatever type of pasta. This restaurant is located in La Unión Valle del Cauca, calle 15, number 10, 34. The cell phone number is 314-664-0517. It's so recommended.